All right, today we're going to show you how to make this amazingly smooth day-night cycle. Ooh, so pretty. All right, the first thing you're going to do is go to the video description, find the code, select all, press Control C, come back to Roblox Studio, select Server Script Service in the Explorer, press the plus sign, and we're just going to type script. And we don't want the local or the module. We just want a basic script. With this still selected over here, we're going to press F2. And we're just going to give it a proper name, day-night controller. And then we'll select all the code in this script with Control A and then press Control V. None of this code you need to worry about. You don't need a programmer. You don't need to understand it at all. The only thing you might want to be interested in is the day length variable right here. This is going to control the day in seconds. So an entire day-night cycle will run for 60 seconds. So that means 30 seconds of daytime, 30 seconds of nighttime. So this is the only thing you probably want to change. Maybe we'll set it to 10 minutes, which would be 600, or a half hour, which would be, actually, I think it's 1800. 1800, right? Yeah, 1800 seconds for a half hour. Or we could do a full hour of 3600. And if we press play, it'll now take a half an hour to go through daytime and a half an hour to go through nighttime.